the patterns that we talk about are arousal. We want to be able to shift our state of arousal. As I mentioned earlier, you want to be in a low arousal state when you're trying to fall asleep, for example. You want to be in a high arousal state if somebody cuts you off in traffic, because you want to be able to react and respond super quickly. You want to be alert and awake, but you also want to be calm and centered. So arousal is our first pattern. Our second pattern has to do with an instability in state, which means that we can get overactivated very, very quickly. And what's happening at a network level and at a kind of circuitry level is that there's too much excitation going on all at once and not enough localized control. This is called hyper-excitability, where the person just flies into a state of chaos. So think about a migraine headache. Somebody's totally fine, and then all of a sudden, massive pain. Think about a panic attack. No particular trigger necessarily, but all of a sudden there's all this excitation and our heart is racing and we're sweating and we're emotional and we're producing more stomach acid. So this is a hyper-excitable state. So panic attacks, mood swings, seizure activity, migraines, and then autoimmune conditions fall into that same pattern of dysregulation. In fact, every chronic disease, when somebody comes to me and they present what they're struggling with, whether it's mental health or physical health problems, I'm thinking in terms of these patterns because it helps me know what tools and what interventions I want to use.